Let's demystify the process of creating journal entries in Peachtree and transform your bookkeeping from a headache to a well-oiled machine in just a minute and a half. First, navigate to the Tasks menu. It's your launchpad for all things transaction-related. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select General Journal Entry. This is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up ready for your input. Start by entering the date of the transaction in the date field. Accuracy is key, so double-check those numbers. Next, move to the reference field. This is your opportunity to create a unique identifier for this entry and can be anything from a simple number to a brief description. Now, let's populate the journal entry itself. In the GL account column, select the appropriate account affected by the transaction. For instance, if you're recording a cash payment, you choose your cash account. In the debit column, enter the debit amount associated with that account. Remember, debits increase asset, expense, and dividend accounts, while decreasing liability, owner's equity, and revenue accounts. On the next line, select the offsetting account. This is where you'll record the credit. Enter the credit amount. In the credit column, the total debits must always equal the total credits. In the description field for each line, provide a brief explanation of the transaction. This will help you understand the entry later. Once you've entered all the relevant information and ensured your debits and credits balance, click the Save button and there you have it. Your journal entry is now recorded in Peachtree. Repeat this process for all your transactions, and you'll maintain comprehensive financial tracking and reporting with ease.